Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix some apps not working in cellular data only on Wi-Fi. How to fix the problem. So for this, go to settings, select mobile service or cellular. Scroll down to find the list of the app. You will find here the list. Ensure the app you are facing the issue with is turned on. For example, if I am facing the issue with Facebook, if it is turned off, make sure it is turned on. If the above does not work, the second fix is go to settings homepage and tap on general. Scroll down and tap on transfer reset. Tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. Enter your passcode, enter screen time passcode and just reset network setting. This will help you reset and the apps which are not working in cellular or mobile data, it will work again. So that's it. These are the fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.